How to French press with the Java Planet French press. This is a 34-ounce French press right here. First, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna have some boiled water. And once you boil it, kind of let it chill for a minute. And then for me personally, I'll get this going. I like to put a little bit of water in there to kind of get it warmed up. And then for 34 ounces, you're gonna wanna do about 10 tablespoons. So you are gonna wanna have your coffee beans ground already. Won't have to go through that process, but you kind of want a medium grind on it. And then what you'll want to do is you'll put in 10, and it's all going to depend on what your beans are and if you like a stronger or a lighter cup of coffee. So do 1, 2, 9, 10. And then next, you're going to want to fill it all the way up. And for this French press, you know, you're gonna figure out where the line for you is gonna be and what's gonna be the best for you. And you always wanna make sure that you boil the right amount of water for your French press too. And then you're gonna wanna put the plunger on top. And once you do that, you're gonna want, for me, and then this also depends, is a good reference is 5 to 10 minutes. And depending, the longer you brew it, the more stronger cup of coffee you're gonna get. So you have two factors with it. It's how much coffee grinds and also how long are you gonna brew it for. The general rule of thumb, start with 5 minutes. And once the 5 minutes goes, you're gonna wanna plunge it. So let's let it brew for 5 minutes. Once we're brewed for 5 minutes, you're gonna wanna plunge it. Now when you plunge it, don't do it fast, it's not a game show. Do it nice and soft and plunge it all the way down. And now you're basically ready to start pouring your cup of coffee. I got my cup right here. And then we're going to pour the cup of coffee and also make sure that the opening is there. I'm gonna start pouring the coffee. And then you got your freshly brewed cup of coffee and you're good to go. If you're interested in purchasing the Java Planet French press, it is all steel, double walled, high quality, and you are supporting a company that is organic, fair trade certified. Links are in the description below. And if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.